love cat crafts, and today I have a special craft that I'm going to share, and I am so excited to be back. But anyway, let's get into this week's craft. So I have these gorgeous, beautiful pillows. This is a lace pillow, and here's another one. And these were actually dresser skirts that were my grandmother's, and the pillows I got at Michael's. And since I am a terrible seamstress, but I always have so many sewing ideas, I have a friend who sews and she helps me out a lot. And so I brought her these dresser skirts, and the dresser skirts were my grandmother's from her old house. She used to have a beautiful farmhouse that she and my grandfather renovated like their whole lives, and all the rooms had themes. Like one of the rooms was the blue room, one was the pink room. Going through my box of relics, and I found these, and so I got the Michael's pillows, and basically you put a pillow on the dresser skirt, fold it over, and sew. So this one is just sewn all the way around, so when we wash it, and I have washed these, you put it in on gentle and you just let it air dry. Like a little sleeve here, so the pillow's inside, so you could do them either way. So you could even display it this way or this way, and these are for my dog, and it just brings me so much joy to know that I don't know, a little piece of grandma's house from Pennsylvania is here with us. So I hope you like this little cute idea. If you have old dresser skirts or even giant doilies, just go ahead and make some beautiful pillows for yourself or your friends and family. So thank you for tuning in to this crafty vlog, and I hope to see you in the next one, and hope everyone stays well. And I love you all, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.